How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 or 11 PC. So if you want to add your wireless Wi-Fi network manually in your Windows 10 or 11 PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply search for your control panel. After opening your control panel, you need to go with category, which is on the top, and then go with large icons. From the large icons, now you need to select network and sharing center. Once you're on your network and sharing center, here you will have set up a new connection or network. You need to click on it. After that, if it is a wireless network, then you just need simply go with manually connect to a wireless network and then go with next and enter your network name. After entering your network name, you need to go with the encryption type. Go with the security type at first. After that, enter the security key. You can also hide your characters if you want to. And after that, go with connect even if the network is not broadcasting, and then go with next. Now you can go with yes. In my case, I've already connected that network, so it shows me this one. But if it's not connected, you just need simply go with next. Once you've done, you need to go with settings, which is on the bottom right. And from here, you need to click on the Wi-Fi and make sure that you've clicked connect automatically option and then go with connect and it will be connected. So that's it. That's how you can add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.